Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the system, then remove the GPU so you can work safely and see the components. Once the card is out, visually inspect the PCB, capacitors, and inductors for damage or loose windings. You're looking for obvious mechanical causes. Now clean the PCIe contacts and heatsink with compressed air and reseat the card to rule out connector vibration. These initial steps isolate physical issues before you move to electrical fixes. You need to reproduce the coil whine under a controllable load so you can test fixes. Run a GPU stress tool at a fixed frame rate and listen carefully while you slowly lower the power limit or offset voltage. This changes current through inductors and often reduces noise. If that doesn't help, try mechanical damping. Apply a small piece of Kapton tape or rubber dampers to vibrating components. For persistent coils, replacing suspect SMD inductors or adding a ferrite bead can stop resonance. Once you've made adjustments and repairs, reassemble the system and run long-duration, real-world tests to confirm the whine is gone under typical usage. If noise persists, swap the PSU to rule out supply ripple and test the GPU in another system, or with an external PCIe riser to isolate motherboard interactions. If none of these steps remove the sound, you've narrowed it to hardware resonance. Document your tests and proceed with RMA or professional board-level repair as the final remedy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.